So over here in this WordPress site that I have, so let's just go ahead and open this up in new tab. You can see that I got some content right here. So let's say what I want to do is I want to go ahead and import outside content that I exported from another site over here. So to do that, I'm going to go around over here onto, let's say for example, tools right here. And here you can see that import is an option. So once you go around onto import, you can see that I can import out from a range of other blogs as well. But in my case, I want to import content from WordPress itself. So now I want to import content only from the exported file. So I chose that, and over here you can see that I have an option now to drag a file or upload that out right here. So I'm just going to go around and click to upload this file over here, and then over here from, let's say for example, my TTTube drive, I'm just going to go around and select the file that I exported from another website. So here you can see that I have that particular file exported from another WordPress site. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on open right here. So once that is done, it actually uploads out the file and it processes out the file right here, just like this. So this is the original site, and then it is being transferred onto this. So let me just go ahead and click on import right here, just like that. And it does take a bit of time to load, and you can see that it simply goes ahead and waits some time. So you can see that this is what you have. So it says you can slowly load it out. So you can see that that is what you have. So it says one post, one page, or media file left to import. So it is importing all of the contents one by one, which is actually stored on that particular file. So let's just wait for a while right here. And now you can see that it has been loaded. So it says your content has been imported. So let's just go ahead and visit out the site now, and then you can see that it has been imported. So instead of just the hello world right here, you can see that the other post right here has been imported out onto this particular site as well. And that is how you can go ahead and import out the XML contents from another blog, that is from another WordPress site extract inside of WordPress.com. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.